So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in on screen keyboard. Click on it. Once you run this, make sure that Ctrl is not highlighted blue. If it is blue, then you want to click on it, which will now make it grey. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to expand mouse and other pointing devices. You want to find your mouse, you want to right click on it, and then click on uninstall device, and then click on uninstall again. Your mouse should now be uninstalled. Once that's been uninstalled, you want to click on Ctrl, Alt and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. So click on Ctrl, Alt and Delete, and now this will come up. You want to click on Tab on your keyboard until we get to the power off button. So click on Tab until we get to power off, and then click on Enter. Go down until we get to restart, and then click on Enter. You want to restart your computer. As your computer comes back into Windows, Windows will automatically reinstall your mouse driver again, and then the problem should be fixed.